Good morning to everyone. So today we will learn how to install libraries like pandas, numpy and matplotlib, etc. So in my system I have already installed Python version 3.6. You can also install another version. There are many versions. So I already installed in my system 3.6, and now we are going to learn how to install all these library. Okay, what happen if we will not install all these library and try to run program that are related to pandas, numpy and matplotlib? So I'm showing you. So this is Python scripting mode. If I will try to import pandas, then it will show error. Module not found error. No module named pandas. That's mean this module pandas is not existing in our system in the Python 3.6 version. So we need to install this all these libraries, package and module in our system, in our Python software. After then we can run all these software that is related to that are based on pandas, numpy and matplotlib. So what we have to do first, check the path of the software where this Python software is installed in your system. So just click on the file menu, and now you can see in the drop down option there is, okay, first there is a path browser. This is the complete path of the Python where the Python is installed. Just go to C drive, then user folder, owner folder, then go to app data folder, local, then program, Python, and then Python 3.6. At the end you have to open script folder. Okay, now follow the path. Okay, so this is my C drive. Go to user folder and then click on owner, and then go to app data. Sometimes this app data folder will not display on your system. Then what you have to do, just click on view and click just check mark this hidden item, then it will display on your screen. Click on app data, then local folder, and then click on program folder, Python and Python 3.6. Now here is script folder. Okay, after opening this script folder, just click on this address bar, and you will click on this address bar. It will select the complete path. Now type cmd and press enter. When you will press enter, it will move to your cmd command prompt. Now what happened? You can see the complete path is displaying on the cmd command prompt. Okay, now you need to write here pip install pandas, and then press enter. It will start installing all the modules that are inside the pandas. It will take some time. In this way we can also install numpy package. We can also install matplotlib. So after installing, we can run all the programs that are based on pandas and numpy and also matplotlib. So this is very easy. I hope you all have understood how to install all these libraries. It will take some time, and after then it will show the pandas package is installed successfully. Okay, now I'm moving to the interactive mode. Numpy is I have already installed numpy package in my system, in my software. So now I'm trying to import numpy. It will display. So it is not displaying any kind of error. That's mean numpy is already installed in my system. So because pandas the pandas package is not in my system, so I need to install this pandas system. So we all know how to use numpy. Mostly numpy library is used to create array. So to create array, first we need to define here a variable and then use numpy package name and then call array function, and inside the array you need to pass data, and I'm passing data in the form of list. Okay, now check what is inside array 1. So it will display yes, array 1 arr1 variable contain this one dimensional array. So now it's taking time. When it will install successfully, it will display the message. Then you can use pandas also. I think you all have understood how to install pandas and numpy matplotlib also. So to install matplotlib, you need to write here pip install matplotlib. So if you want to check matplotlib is installed or not, then write here again import matplotlib. So again it is not showing any kind of error. That means this package is already installed my system. If it will display error like no module found error, so then you need to install this matplotlib library also. I hope you will execute this successfully. It is taking some time. So now I'm ending my lecture here.